It's the Boat Geeks with Darren and Darren.
We're the Boat Geeks, whatever floats your boat.
We're going to take the ferry over to Marysville, where Nick at Slumber Ease is going to fit Axel to the perfect mattress. Okay, there he is.
Well, good morning.
Hey, Nick.
You made it.
Good to see you again.
Nice to see you, Darren.
And this is Axel.
Nice to meet you, Axel. What we're going to do today is we're going to fit you for a mattress, okay? Well, let's think of it like a pair of shoes. You know when you put that pair of shoes on, it fits. We're going to fit you with a mattress. I want the same reaction. Okay, so now you get an opportunity to see how we're really fitting her. Right now, her hips get to set into the bed a little bit, and we get a little bit more fill in the waist. We're going to core it to your weight and how tall you are. The top layers are going to be based on the shape of your body and the position you sleep. Again, just like a pair of shoes, that's what's going to ensure your proper alignment.
Isn't that a unique sleeping position? I'm sure you've seen it all, but...
Well, that's part of it. We always fit based on your sleeping position.
Yeah.
So if you're a back sleeper, stomach sleeper. The biggest difference from buying at a factory direct, okay, in general, versus a retail or a mass production. The mattress is going to be totally dedicated to your application and you physically. So you're going to have a core in there that's designed for your weight. You may be 150 pounds, you may be 350 pounds. You are actually going to select this mattress. You're going to dictate the mattress to me without even knowing how you're doing it. So how do you feel there? Better, worse?
I prefer the first one.
Okay. The other portion of this is the details, okay? The fit in your V-Berth. We want that downsized a little bit, for example. We want it to breathe, okay? You may want to get into an access panel. We want to hinge it in that location for you. You may even want a different feel than your partner. Maybe we split that core for you. So your wish list is what you want to bring aboard. We'll figure out how to get there.
So I take the existing cushions off.
Yes.
Lay this down. And
Mark
then
it.
Mark it, okay.
Okay, if we have a vertical bevel,
Yeah,
just put your square over to where it starts to make your bevel with the hull.
Okay.
Go up 6 inches, measure over, and write it on the pattern.
Oh,
Exactly.
okay. Cool.
Very, very simple.
All right.
So once we have your pattern, within 2 weeks, your product is complete.
We're